We basically PaintKorect. We're a detailing company. We deal with the exterior detailing of cars. With this one, basically we wash, iron X, clay the car first, and after we clay the car, we compound it, then added some polish, and I did a little graphene coat on this one. Same process on this one, the only difference is we just did a simple wax. We didn't go in terms of a ceramic coat. We weren't prepared to do that, but you know, still give it the same glossy and shiny look.
Nice. How about under the hood work? Do you work under the hood?
No, we really don't deal with under the hood. The owner actually deals with that himself. We only deal with the exterior part of a car.
So this kind of service will be able to anybody in Antigua?
Sure.
All these up there while use a paint correction?
Sure. Basically, our goal is to restore a lot of cars that come in. So if you notice recently, you have those small bits and the fit. A lot of them look white. We're trying to get rid of that by preserving the clear coat on the cars. So if you want to check us out on the weekends, you can call me 771-9508, it's Craig, 720-6778, that's Kamal, and just give us a call and we can have a look at your vehicle in terms of consultation and let you know what's the best course of action to save your paint.